Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Helldivers 2 unable to connect to a server on PS5. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're experiencing this error is to check the Helldivers 2 server status. So just before anything else, just check if the problem lies with the game server. So the official Helldivers Twitter account and Discord channel regularly post updates on any server outages or maintenance. So this allows you to confirm whether an external issue is causing your connectivity problems. And then next, what you can do here if the there's no update on the server status of the Helldivers 2, what you can do is to disable the crossplay. So crossplay allows Helldivers 2 players on different platforms to play together online. However, connecting to multiple systems can sometimes cause complications. So just try disabling crossplay as this reduces the server or your game tries to connect through and improving your chances of a successful link up. So on your PS5, just go to the menu and select account and network. So then switch the crossplay option to off and crossplay is now disabled. And then next, what you can do here, so if you are still seeing the error message, a simple reboot of the game might do the trick. So return to your PS5's home screen and then close the Helldivers 2. So just relaunch the game after a few minutes or moments. This refresh can knock out any glitches that block the connection. So just follow the steps right here. So just press the PS button to open the control center and then select Divers 2 and press options button and choose close the game, and after that just relaunch the game. And after doing so, the problem should be now fixed. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're experiencing the failed to connect to server error on PlayStation 5 while playing the Helldivers 2. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.